name is Belle Baker. We run a course called Tractoring for Women here in beautiful South Australia. So Tractoring for Women was an idea that came to mind talking to some of our clients in our contracting business. We often deal with women, and they were saying how they don't get much of a chance to drive the tractors, and they have these wonderful machines on their properties and they don't really know how to drive them, and they sure as heck don't know the safety elements of a tractor. I think we might get started, ladies. So there are three main goals with Tractoring for Women. The first one is driving a tractor safely and confidently and being able to pass that message on to the people around you. The second one is to help fill the skills gap in Australian agriculture, particularly in busy periods. And the third one is to empower women to be more independent, to be able to make decisions for themselves on a farm, and if they're looking to buy a new tractor, then they have the knowledge and the words to have those conversations. We are a practical course. We are going to teach you everything you need to know to drive a tractor safely and confidently and undertake farm activities. So we've had interest from a wide range of women. They range from 20 years old to I think the eldest one we've had is about 70. Some of these women might be on 10 acres and have a horse, and some of them might be on large station country. And we tailor it to what they want to get out of it. I want to know, what's taken you so long to learn to drive a tractor?
Part of the reason why it's taken me so long to get on the tractor is I'm dealing with a stigma of an environment where we need to
Yes.
leave it to the boys to do. We know what we're doing.
Yes. One of the reasons you're not getting a chance is because tractoring is actually fun.
Yeah.
We need to get their butts out of these vehicles and let us have some fun.
I would prefer to learn this way than take instruction from my husband.
Yes. So it's a relationship saving exercise.
Correct, because
Yep.
we could be divorced.
Yes. I think we've got 5 major brands that are going to be here, all quite happy to interact in a way that means that women get the best outcome. We can't do these kinds of things without the support of dealerships. They're a wealth of knowledge, and we have access to them today.
Right there.
And I want you to be conscious of naming how you feel when you're driving the tractors and when you step out. Because what we find is that when you conquer something that you hadn't done before, once you step through it, it's actually all more manageable, and you go, well, that was pretty cool. What else can I do? What's next? And we want you to leave today with that feeling that you can do anything. I really want to make a difference when it comes to the safety outcomes on farms. And these courses are aimed and directed at women because women do learn in a completely different way to men. And so this is packaged up in a way where we can learn in a collaborative way and achieve those safety outcomes that we so desperately need.